Hello and welcome to the New Call website. My name is Liana Giovando. I'm a content strategy consultant in Toronto and founder of Pertinence.ca. I'm also a member of Call. I worked with Connie Crosby, members of Paralucent, and the Call Executive Committee to bring you this new site. This is one of 4 orientation videos to help you learn your way around the new site and take advantage of the new features. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit and create content in the committee and group working site. I have logged in ahead of time, so I already have access to the members only area. These materials are only accessible if you are logged in as a member. Take a look at the video on logging in and editing your account detail for more information on how to log in and reset your password. The committee and group working site pages are here for you to share and store documents that are used to conduct the business of your group or committee, as well as share information with other members of the association. Documents kept here might include your meeting minutes, reports, newsletters, or even just a list of good ideas your group wants to follow up with. This area of the website is a wiki, which means it can be edited by any member of the association. All materials placed here are done so by members. If you see something missing, go ahead and add it. I'm going to show you the webinar committee working site as an example. I'm the committee chair, so I'm familiar with the documents. We only have 3 pages in our working site. We have brainstorming ideas where we list possible webinar topics that we have on the back burner. We have all of our webinar committee meeting minutes. And we have reports to the education committee and executive committees. If I want to add another page to this working site, I can do so by clicking on Add a Child page. When I click on this link, the new page I create will be under the current page. So in this case, my new page will become a subpage of the webinar committee, in line with brainstorming ideas, meeting minutes, and reports. The page you are looking at will automatically become the parent page to the new one when you click on the Add a Child page link. From here, you can add the title of a new page. You can also select the language of the page. This feature is included if you wish to create a translation of your page. Only use this feature if you wish to create your page in both English and French. You are not required to have both French and English content in your group or committee working site. This feature is here so that you have the option. In this case, I'm going to create an English version only, so I will leave the setting on language neutral. You can enter the content of your new page in the box labeled Body. If you've already watched the video on blogs, this will be familiar. This box is called a WYSIWYG editor. That stands for What You See is What You Get. This editor allows you to add content to your page without having to know HTML or other programming languages. You can enter text into the box and use the formatting tools to help achieve the design you want. Take a moment to look at each of the tools before you start editing your page. Some of them are very handy, and it will help you to know them ahead of time. You can also click on Source at any time to see the actual HTML coding. Another tip is to create your content in a word processor, such as Word or OpenOffice, and then paste it into this WYSIWYG editor. The editor will recognize the formatting from the word processor. You probably do not want to disable rich text or switch to plain text editor. If you did, it would work the same way it does when formatting an email. You can also password protect these wiki pages. This may come in handy for those of you who are storing information on your working sites that should not be seen by other members of the association. Please remember your password and share it with those who need it. There is no forgotten password feature for these pages. Only you and the site administrators have the power to reset the password. Book Outline allows you to change the parent item of your new page if you made a mistake when it was created. Committee and group working sites should always be your selected book, but you can select the new page as the parent item. For example, if I wanted to move my new page under brainstorming, I would select that as my new parent item. You will not have to change weight or update the list of parents. You will use WebFM attachments if you wish to attach documents to your page or to link to them from text in your page. WebFM stands for Web File Manager. This tool helps to keep all the documents we add to the CALL website in order. Your document must be loaded to WebFM before you can attach it to your page. You can browse WebFM folders using the File Browser menu. Unfortunately, you will find that the screen jumps to the top of the page each time you open a new folder. This is a bit frustrating, but don't worry, you're not doing anything wrong. You can upload new files into a folder by using the File Upload menu. Make sure you have opened your committee or group folder in the File Browser before you load a document. The uploaded file will be saved to the folder you have open. You may find that there is no folder for your committee or group. In that case, you will have to contact a site administrator so they can create a new folder for you. Members do not have the ability to create folders in WebFM. Site administrators can be contacted at the CALL National Office by emailing office@call.acpd.ca or completing the Contact Us form on this website. I'm going to upload a new document to the Webinar Committee folder. So I have the folder open and I'm going to click Browse. Once I've located the document on my computer, I click Open and Upload to complete the process. Now that the document is in the Webinar Committee folder, I can attach it to my page or create a link to the document from text within my page. To attach it, I simply right-click on the title of the document and select Attach to Node. If you wish to create a link to the file from text, you have to create the text first and then add a hyperlink to the file using the link button in the WYSIWYG editor. Highlight the text in the body of your page that you wish to link and select the link icon. Click on Browse Server and you will see the same WebFM folder structure as before. When you locate your document, right-click and select Send to Rich Text Editor. Click on OK and your link will be in place. And that's it for attaching documents. The final editing feature on your page is the revision information. You can add content to this section if you wish to add an explanation for the changes you are making to the page. When your content is complete, hit Save. And voila! You have a new page. You can come back to this page and make changes or delete it at any time. Keep in mind that you can also make changes or delete any other pages in this wiki, so please be careful about what you do and never delete anything unless you're absolutely certain that CALL will never need it again. Most committee and special interest groups already have a working site listed on the Committee and Group Working Sites page, but if yours is missing, you can create a new one by clicking on Add a Child page at the bottom of this page. This process is exactly the same as the one I just described, and if you wish to add a child page to the new one you create, just do so following the same directions again. There is also a written description of these directions available at this link where it says These detailed instructions. And that's it for creating content, committee and group working sites. Thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoy this and other instructional videos available for the new CALL website.